Nagkuhan pa man siya.
Oh my goodness. Let's hear it from the audience, please. What a fantastic show. Thank you so much, Savage Water. Fire show. And kids, don't go home and do that, okay? I don't mind you eating anything, but not those fires. Thank you, lady. Could I speak to you? Savage water. While waiting, let's interview this lady. Thank you for coming. I actually have just the Savage water. So how do we call you, young lady?
My name is Carla. My stage name is Savage Water.
Savage water. She doesn't look like a savage, does she? So where you from? And we're very thankful that you joined us today. So what made you join our festival?
I thought it was a great opportunity to join an amazing festival like this one.
So are you visiting Australia or?
I've been in Australia for 4 years, doing shows around Australia. I just got to Townsville.
So if they want you to perform, maybe if they're very mad to their husbands and they just want to relax and see their husbands and let the husband eat their fire, is that something that you will do? Why are you laughing? I'm asking a question here. So you do perform, say it's my birthday, because my 60th birthday is coming. Walang hihirit, ha? Okay, humirit. Say I'm turning 60 next weekend, which I'm not. I'm over that. So can I hire you?
Yeah, I'm available for festivals, weddings, birthdays, private events, everything.
Oh, fantastic. Had I known, I would have put the hat and passed the hat on for you, because this lady actually is performing just to show you how good it is to eat fire. Thank you, darling. Miss Savage Water. So you got that very strong accent. So where's that coming from?
French.
Somewhere in Europe.
Yeah, I'm from Spain.
Spain?
Español. Me habla español, señorina, un poquito, no rápido, no entiende, para educación la escuela, pero no rápido. Sí, thank you. Let's thank, ladies and gentlemen, from Spain. I've been in Spain, love it. Barcelona, La Familia, oh my God, love Spain. Thank you so much, and we'll hope to get in touch. Will you leave your card with me? Because when my husband turns 80, I want you to perform. Okay? And hopefully he won't have a heart attack. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's thank Savage Water. Thank you. Again, reminding kids, don't go home and ask mommy for a match. Matches, okay? Matchstick. I think we're almost ready, Ice. We're just waiting now. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Mag-ihaw-ihaw na tayo dun sa bahay. Sarap talaga ng isda, no?
Oo.
Gusto doon sa bahay kati. Paano lang magsawa?
Kasi pala...
Nandito ng suka o no?
Tuyo ako.
Toyo suka pati. Toyo at suka. Ang tidama.
Yung tuyo.
Sana kain na tayo. Pagkuhan ako ng kalamansi. Malu, binigyan ako ni Tess ng kalamansi, oh. Oh, so ito sa Hamilton. Nakabalot-balot na yan ng binigyan.
Lain, hala, may donut, may panada o binangkal, ug na ay, o sana, pandikoko,
siya, kasaba.
Ay, unsa na? Kasaba. This one. Unsa ni siya?
Video ka o imong i-live? Unsa na to? Kanang itong boy o kuan? Rio, unsa na to? Live ka dai?
Wala, wala.
Si Ate, kuan man ni, Ate Lisa. Ay, i-delete daw siya kay kanang sorry.
I don't want her to see me that's smiling.
Kasi bawal.
Wala akong ganun sa Facebook, no? Because I don't want.
Kinsa may ingon?
Ako lang. Sakit na yun.
Ah.
Oh, yeah.
Dili ka man pwede mag-face. Dili siya mag-enjoy nga.
Oh, enjoy life to the fullest ba?
Unsa ni siya kanang chakoy. Chakoy. Nangkal o empanada. Kamusta din na? O kana siya. Unsa ni siya? Kanang
Unsa man eh?
kasaba cake, I think so. Kasaba cake. Sige. Kasaba cake an maha. Maha o kasaba cake te.
Kaning yelo unsa man eh?
Kana daw in binangkal. Binangkal. Ano yan? Kana siya cheese bread. Cheese bread. The base is
Chiffon cake with Milo, this one.
Shakoy.
Naman sila ikwan. Para sa